Hey guys, it's Wednesday, aka Jamie, and I'm still sick. So wait, I don't even know if you knew I was sick, but I'm sick, and I've been sick for like a week. And the theme and challenge this week, well, the challenge is to show your most no. Okay, well, it's either the theme or the challenge, and it's to show your most prized possession, and um like why you're unique, or like say why you're different from everyone else. And my prized possession, here, let me back up. Okay, hold on. My prized possession, oh, I just said my town. Okay, third time's a charm. My prized possession is my stuffed animal puppy. Cleverly named, I know. It's a beagle. My mom just got home, so she's probably gonna come in and be like, hi Jamie. But yeah, this is him. His name's Puppy. And he has 3 bracelets on. A pink one, a purple one, and like an orange one. And I don't even know where I got those bracelets, but I know they have some significance. I don't even care if you guys know where I live. They have some significance, but I don't know what it is. I got them when I was 3. Sorry. I got them when I was 3, and hold on, I don't want my mom to come in. And I got him when I was 3 from like Kohl's or something. His name's Puppy, and I took him legit everywhere. And I still sleep with him sometimes, not gonna lie. Yeah. I love him. Okay, so I'm gonna come closer now. And the challenge, or the theme, is to talk about why you're different from everyone else. And I'm different because maybe either I'm really short, like I would show you, but you know what, screw it. Doesn't really say. Let's go like this. I'm like really short. Watch, I'll stand right next to my closet, and then you'll be the guys like, whoa. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go to that closet. That's how short I am. Yeah, don't look at my town. Alright, I don't really care if you do. You guys don't know. I'm really loud. Like, I'm really loud. Like, my screen, no, my, like, loud talk is different, is, like, could be someone's scream. Like, I'm not gonna talk right now, because, like, my family's home, and my throat hurts from, like, coughing. But, yeah, and maybe that's why I cheerled, I don't even know. Yeah. So, I guess, really, that's why I'm different. It could be, I'm really shy, too, like, ask anyone, like, I'm just, like, I'll just be, like, awkwardly standing there if you're, like, talking to someone that I don't know, like, but once you get to know me, I'm, like, wicked loud, and I won't shut up. And, since I'm, like, new to this collab channel, can someone, like, tell me when I have to make the theme and challenge, because, I kind of don't know when. Yeah, so, yeah, that's about it. Sorry, random cough attack. Yeah, so, yeah, yeah. Alright, bye guys, see you next week.